Hello, everyone. On today's IRS tax refund update, as we continue to monitor the latest with those ongoing tax refund delays, we finally received an update from the IRS on where things currently stand with the backlog. So we'll take a look at that, as well as an update for those of you still waiting on amended tax returns. We also have the next scheduled release date for tax refunds, so we will recap that, as well as we've received a recent surge of questions in the past week in regards to several tax transcript codes, such as 570 and 971. So we'll take a look at those as well. Now, recapping the latest update from the IRS on where things currently stand with those ongoing processing delays, as the latest tax return backlog number has dropped to 7.2 million unprocessed returns, which is down 1 million returns from back on August 26th. Of the current 7.2 million returns remaining, 1.6 million are e-file returns and 5.6 million are paper returns. So we're roughly seeing about 500,000 tax return processed a week, which is good movement, but these numbers are still extremely high at this point in the year. For those of you waiting on amended returns, that number saw a drop of 200,000 returns since August 26 to now 1.7 million unprocessed returns. Now, it should be noted that is a combination of both 2020 and 2021 amended returns. As a reminder to check the latest on your amended returns, you will need to check the Where's My Amended Return feature on the IRS website and not the regular Where's My Tax Refund section. Also, amended returns will be sent out in the form of paper checks and not direct deposits for those refunds. Now moving on to the next batch of tax refunds scheduled for release this week, starting with those direct deposit refunds scheduled for release on Wednesday, September 21st, as confirmed by the tax transcript seen here. And as a reminder, allow up until Monday, September 26th to receive it if you're part of this refund batch. For those of you waiting on paper checks, the next batch will be released on Friday, September 23rd, and do allow up to 10 business days to receive that by mail. Also, there are continued reports coming in that the refund status results tracker is not displaying the most up-to-date information. So to confirm if you're part of this latest refund batch, do make sure to check your tax transcripts. Also, we've heard from some viewers that even after they receive that refund in their bank account or by check, their refund status results online still had not updated, which has been a constant problem all year. Now, we're continuing to receive questions from viewers on some of the more commonly seen tax codes appearing on your tax transcripts, starting off with the 570 and 971 codes. Now, the 57 code indicates your tax return is under additional review, and that could be as a result of the IRS still needing to verify your wage information from your employer. It could also mean there was something incorrectly entered on your tax return that still needs to be looked at further. The 971 code indicates the letter is being sent out about the refund delay. If you see a 971 and 570 code with the same date, it means the IRS has automatically resolved the issue and no further action is necessary, and your refund has been cleared for processing. However, if you see a 971 and 570 code with a different date, that means the IRS needs additional time. Also, once the issue is resolved, you will see a 571 code appear on your transcripts, which is resolved additional action code. Now, some of the more serious codes taxpayers are seeing is the 424 and 420 transcript code. Now, code 424 means further examination is required of your tax return, while the 420 code indicates you are under audit. We've been seeing numerous viewers who have claimed the earned income tax credit fall under audit and are being required to submit documentation in regards to their dependents. Once this issue is resolved, you will see that 421 audit closed code on your tax transcripts. For some who have finally seen their refund processed, they're seeing the 846 refund code followed by that 841 refund canceled code. What this indicates is the bank that the IRS sent your refund to has rejected the direct deposit and returned it to the IRS. Oftentimes, we're seeing this because a wrong bank account number was listed or the account has since been closed. Once that happens, the IRS will in turn send out a paper check to your address on file, usually within 4 to 6 weeks. Another code taxpayers are receiving is that 810 Refund Freeze code. Oftentimes, this is a result of the IRS needing additional time with your taxes and pertains to credits being claimed, or the need for you to complete ID verification, or for taxpayers claiming COVID sick credits, which are being looked at especially thorough by the IRS this year, or a duplicate return was filed, or past due tax obligations, or other obligations such as child support. Let us know in the comment section below how long you've been waiting for your tax refund and when and how you filed that tax return. In the meantime, we will keep monitoring the situation for further developments, so make sure to click on the thumbs up and subscribe button below for future updates on this channel, and thanks for watching.